ready.
Hi guys, today.
Hold it like this. Yep. Nice and loud.
But today we're going to Combine Soybean Day, which I'm going to show you coming up close. It's right over there. Just so you know, it just ran out of power. But this is part 2, tractor park. I wanted to show you around the tractor, but I'm going to review the gifts and gadgets real quick. Okay, here we're going back up to the tractor particles. We're going to start with the gifts and gadgets.
How about I sit on the little seat?
Oh, you like the little seat better?
Yeah.
All right.
It's the little seat.
Oh, where I'm sitting. Look, see, there's a little seat. Back in my day, that arm didn't go down, so you had to sit in this weird, like...
So, let's go.
So Elijah already knows, and he's put it down. He knows how to do it.
Makes an extra seat.
Yep. I bet the two of you could fit in this big old seat all by yourselves with your tiny tushies. You're not very wide hips.
The new tractors have even wider chance and
Have like a...
have a learner's seat.
Yeah.
It's called.
Does it go up higher?
No.
Oh, there it does.
If you start the engine, the seat will pop up because it's air assisted.
So, let's start over here. This is the engine. This big one part is the engine. Now if we go down here, we can see the nice engine wheel. This wheel is really not short. You can see if I get back. That's the wheel. Now let's move on over. This is the big wheel. I'll take you inch by inch around. Let's see from this view. I want to show you something. Go, got my go, got my go, This is big. 1, 2 on this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. There we go. Some thingies here and some thingies here and here. I've got my windows on. Are you ready for the big jump? Hi, Mom! What do you have to say to the subscribers? I think you got it.
I did.
Show me your face.
Hi.
What is the tractor here for?
To move the
Wait, is
beans
there a girl and there a boy?
from the grain cart
Wait, I think that's a boy.
to the wagons back here.
That's probably a boy.
I believe that's a full-grown man.
Pilgrim man.
Yeah.
Pilgrim man. Okay.
Bye. I think it's Mr. Frost.
Yes, I believe that's Mr. Frost the Younger.
Time to get the action. Time to catch it. Say wow. I'm trying to aim it.
Here it comes.
And it's coming in image. Purposely good. Wow.
That bit?
Hey, he's dumping it.
Talk to the GoPro. Talk to the GoPro.
I want to have a tractor ride.
Talk to the GoPro and all the subscribers. Talk to the subscribers. Talk to them. I guess you're shy.